All right, let's find the equations of the lines that pass through the point 0, 4 and are parallel and perpendicular to the line 5x plus 2y equals 3. For this problem, what we're going to need to do very first is find out what the slope of our original equation is. Let's get the y by itself. So we'll say 2y equals negative 5x plus 3, and we need to divide by 2. So y equals negative 2.5x plus 1.5, and really all we care about is that slope, so we can go parallel and perpendicular. So let's go ahead and solve for a. First of all, we'll go ahead and find our parallel line, and so we're going to have a point 0, 4, so we'll use our point slope. Y minus 4, our y value, equals our slope, x minus 0, and so we're going to have y minus 4 equals negative 2.5x. And so if you distribute it here, let's look at what we've got right up here. This is an equation in point slope. We can also move this around and get ourselves an equation in slope intercept. And then, of course, we can also get our third type of equation, which is called the general form, where we want to get everything on one side and have no fractions. And we also want to have a positive value for x. So if we moved everything over to the left, we would have that, and still would have a decimal here, so we'd need to multiply everything by 2. So we would have 5x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0, and we would call this the general form. So let's go ahead and find the same exact thing for the perpendicular line. For B, we can say y minus 4. Now it's nice here, we could also say our slope would be negative 5 over 2. Actually much more helpful, because for the perpendicular line we need to take that negative 5 over 2 and flip it over and make it positive. Switch the sign. So 2 over 5 because it's perpendicular. And we'll distribute y minus 4 equals 2 over 5x. This would be our point slope form. Y equals 2/5 x plus 4 would be our slope intercept form. And then our general form would be we need to multiply everything by 5 to get rid of our fraction. 2x minus 5y plus 20 would be our general form.